How to turn on dark mode on Kakaotalk. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can turn on dark mode on Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open Kakaotalk application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this more right here. Now here tap on settings icon at the top. Scroll down until you see themes. Themes right here. Tap on themes. Now here you can see dark modes. Tap on dark mode. And as you can see, the display has been changed to the dark mode. You can change it to light mode by tapping on light mode like this, or you can just tap on the system mode so that is automatically apply the display mode in this OS settings. Now let's just keep it to dark mode for now. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.